One of the new features of Trimble Business Center version 5.6 is the ability of saving your template into Trimble IDentity, which is a good thing since if you are like me working on multiple computers, that way it stores it in a cloud and you don't have to worry about having your template on your USB stick or somewhere. I used to go around through this by saving my templates into Dropbox and then linking my new files into the Dropbox folder. So to do that, you can still do it here. As you can see, under template folder, you can hit these three dots and point it somewhere to your own cloud. And as you can see down here, I have tried it already. You can basically save the template into TID. Now, if I go to support and bring back the start page, on the start page you have a new project. However, when you look at the new project, this one does not give you an option to pull your template from TID. To be able to save to TID, you have to, let me see if I can, yes. Okay, so this is a base start page, and as you can see, I'm not logged in. So to use the TID, you better click on the login button, and then it will guide you to a process where you can log in. And if everything is successful, it's gonna show you your login. You can look at your user profile. So right now you can see the project templates and ribbons and user options. As you can see, the only thing I have tried so far was the TBC metric version 5.6 for myself. So you can save to local, so it will bring it up to your local computer in case you have no internet connectivity. The other stuff I don't usually customize due to when I do support, it's nice to have a fresh looking business center, so I can guide you through, hey, okay, the third one from the left is a survey. Click on a survey, click. Let's open up a new project here and let's go take a look at this, how to save the project. Let's say I changed something in my template, I added a layer or whatever, and I want to save it to the TID. I'm gonna go to save as template, put in name 1234, and as you can see here is saved to template to profile. So once I save it, yes, and hopefully this will show up under our file new, under I see, as you can see 1234 is right here with the date you have saved. I'm gonna hit delete here so it doesn't confuse me, and I'm back to square one. So this is a great thing, especially like I said, when you're working with multiple computers, you can easily access your template. I hope you found it informative. Don't forget to subscribe, hit comments or whatever, and we'll see you next one.